Guys, welcome back to howmachineworks.com. Joe's here. Today let's learn how a axial flow piston pump works. So this is a dismantled view of the axial flow piston pump. Let's identify all the internal components and learn its working. So those are the pistons arranged over there. See the pistons actually protruding outside the cylinder block. Okay, and that's a swash plate over there where the pistons actually slide. So this is a variable type pump. That means the flow can be varied, normally used in tracked excavator machines. So those are the pistons. You can have a closer look over there. And what I'm rotating is the cylinder, and on the left side we have the drive shaft. The drive shaft and the cylinder is a single unit. That means the drive which reaching the drive shaft will result in the rotation of the cylinder, and inside we have these pistons which actually move. So when the swash plate is vertical, there is no flow, and as the swash plate angle changes, that's the swash plate over there, as the swash plate angle changes, the flow varies depending upon the angle of the swash plate, and the swash plate angle is controlled by a valve according to the load and the requirement. So that's the rear side of the piston which is connected towards, or which is sliding over the swash plate over there. Okay, now let's go and have a closer look and identify each components over there. That's the drive shaft, which is a part of the cylinder itself. The drive shaft gives drive towards the cylinder, and that's the swash plate, which I told the pistons are resting and sliding over. The swash plate angle changes, the flow varies. That's our cylinder block in which we have the pistons arranged, and as the cylinder block rotates, the pistons slide over and axially reciprocate. That's the pistons over there. We have many number of pistons which are arranged inside a particular cylinder block. So that's the front view where we have the inlet and the outlet. The top we have the discharge, and bottom we have the suction. So you can see the angle how it can be changed on the swash plate, and when the swash plate is vertical, as I told, there is no flow. If you need to see the animation to get a precise understanding of its working, there is an annotation over there. Click on the annotation and see the animation of the axial flow piston pump. Okay, watch the full video and go to that. So I already showed the rear view over there. That's actually resting on the swash plate. Now let's remove the pistons outside. So those are the pistons being taken, so the o-ring gone down, I think. Okay, we have the pistons over there. We have many number of pistons which are inserted into the drilled hole inside the cylinder. You can see the shaft and the cylinder is a single piece over there. The drive shaft is directly connected towards the cylinder at that section. Now you can see that the pistons over there which I have shown, and these are the holes where the pistons will actually be inserted, right? Okay, now you can see the cylinder once again and the different angle of the cylinder. Now we'll be keeping the piston back into the cylinder block, and let's see how it can be assembled back. And make sure that once it is removed, it should be given back into the same port and should not be changed, because they have already mated, and scoring marks will be like a male female scoring mark, so it has to be inserted in the same port. So that's how it looks. As I requested, make sure that you click the annotation and see the animation video also to get a better understanding of the working of the piston pump. And also make sure that you click the subscribe button so that daily video updates will come to your inbox, because we'll be uploading more technical videos. So here you can see how the pistons actually move as the cylinder rotates. Both the drive shaft and the cylinder is rotating. At the bottom, the piston is moving back, which is creating a suction, and moving towards the top, the pistons actually reaching the maximum suction, and as it rotates to the side downwards, the delivery is happening. You can see the piston movement inside the port of the cylinders very clearly over there. Have a closer look over there, and that's how it exactly works. The change in swash plate directly affects the flow. When increasing the angle, flow increases, and decreasing the angle, flow decreases, because when the swash plate is vertical, there is no piston movement, that is, there is no axial movement of the piston, and no flow is happening. So as I requested, please subscribe, like, comment, share to motivate our team. You can also see the description for more detailed links. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.